Hello everyone, I'm Jonathan, Technical Director of Mecom MCM. Today, I'm very happy to share with you MCM plant-based cutting fluid. Mecom's cutting fluids are made from natural, renewable plant sources, not petroleum. From the very beginning, we've chosen green materials and avoided any petrochemical ingredients. In doing so, we don't just care about the machining performance. We also prioritize the health of our workers and the surrounding environment. During machining, common issues like oil, mist, and fluid contamination are concerned. With MCM plant-based cutting fluid, we provide the best total solution to these challenges. Our fluid is very different from conventional petrochemical-based coolants. Traditional cutting fluids generally fall into three categories: emulsions, semi-synthetics, or full synthetics, but all are derived from petroleum. In contrast, Mecom uses refined plant esters and 100% green additives, resulting in a high-performance, eco-friendly cutting fluid. Now, you may wonder, what are the real differences between mineral oil-based and plant-based cutting fluids? Let's start with the base ingredients. Mineral cutting fluids use base oils plus emulsifiers, but base oils can't handle high temperatures well. So during machining, they oxidize under heat, creating heavy smoke, sticky residues, and excessive oil mist. This not only clogs the recovery systems and increases maintenance, but also makes it harder to clean finished parts. Another issue with conventional cutting fluids is that they require biocides to control bacteria. These biocides can vaporize into the air during CNC machining, posing risks to workers' respiratory health and harming the environment. Now, is a plant-based cutting fluid the best solution? Let me explain. Mecom's ester-based plant oils are naturally heat-resistant, meaning less oil mist and higher flash points. They also have strong cleaning properties. After all, many household detergents are made from plant oils. This makes them safe, eco-friendly, easy to clean, and low in emissions. Additionally, MCM plant-based cutting fluids offer outstanding corrosion resistance and surface protection for both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. This is thanks to the polar molecular structure of plant oils, which provides even magnetic-like adhesion to metal surfaces, something that traditional fluids can't achieve. Another major advantage is defoaming performance. As machines become more compact and coolant tanks shrink for environmental reasons, foam control becomes critical. Mecom's cutting fluids offer natural, effective defoaming that outperforms conventional coolants that rely on chemical defoamers. In short, MCM plant-based cutting fluid is designed not only to meet the demands of advanced machining, but also to support the values of ESG, protecting health, promoting sustainability, and safeguarding our planet. This isn't just about a green product. It's the philosophy behind every drop of MCM plant-based cutting fluid.